in a concentration for the politics that are in prison, Catalan politics that are in prison now. We are in the street. Today is very cold, but we are here, and I was telling them that Kurdistan and Catalonia.
We believe that only people can understand each other.
Nosaltres creiem que només la gent ens podem entendre entre nosaltres.
And like women only understand each other.
Així com les dones, només les dones ens entenem entre nosaltres.
Now I can hear the voice of your heart who is struggling for freedom.
Ara mateix puc sentir la veu dels vostres cors, com està lluitant per la llibertat.
Because my people also are struggling for freedom.
Perquè la meva gent està també realment lluitant per la llibertat.
I want to say they were able to put me physically in a prison, but they were not able to put my soul, which is living for freedom, struggling for freedom. They were not able to put my soul in prison.
A mi mateixa m'hi van posar a la presó. Físicament hi vaig estar-hi, però la meva ànima no li van poder posar mai. Sempre va ser lliure.
And now I am here, I am struggling for the freedom of my people and for the freedom of the women.
I aquí estic lluitant per la llibertat de la meva gent i de les dones.